Today I'm checking the health of H1 Hyundai. So I'm going to go through with you with the process how to check the health. They just finished to check it up, so we just want to check why it's still showing an engine light. If you can check here, you can see there's an engine light that is on. The car is running, so you can see we just want to check what's caused this engine light. So now we go to our immo. You can see I have put my ODB cable, and now I'm coming to do the work on the machine. So this is the first step that you do. It's search I go to Hyundai. Automatically it will tell me it will give me all the information of the car, give me the year, the maker, and the VIN number. You can see we do auto search. Then we go to a health report. One thing I like about this scan, it's so fast compared to the one that I was using previously. So when it comes to check what's going on inside the car, it's very quick and fast. So yes, in terms of the speed, I can recommend you to get this machine because it's very fast and quick. So done. All this is a history. You see, it's a history, which means it tells us that this car just needs to be cleared, because everything, it seems like it's fine, because it shows history. So it means that it shows that everything is fine. So what we can do, I'm going to clear all the faulty code. You can see now it's coming okay. And then also when you check on our dashboard, you can see on our dashboard the engine light is gone because the car is fixed properly. Let me take you to the dashboard. Now you can see that the engine light is gone. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe and like my channel, as I'll keep on uploading more videos in order for you to understand how these machines work. Thank you very much.